Wait, you actually got the Siskel beauty mom pregnant? Just because she wouldn't pay you back? You married her mother for absolute revenge? Choosing to be her dad, debt with my body. That is not right. I am Lin Zhang. Put it on Lin Zhang. Is it my fault the investment failed? I am blaming you. 2 years and I never saw the books. Break up. What do you have besides your bedroom skills? System now activating. Vine sign in. Hurry up. Ding sign in successful. Reward 1 200,000 cash. Reward 2 absolute bedroom stamina. Reward 3 X-ray vision to read minds. Story quest get a tenant. Get $10,000. Auntie's hotel booking failed so she crashes at my apartment. Right after Zhang Ting steals my cash, my mother-in-law Su Mei delivers herself. The perfect target. With my X-ray vision, my ex-mother-in-law is the ultimate test subject. Alright auntie, plenty of rooms here. That fool Lin Zhang, I scammed him out of 600,000. That is nothing. His school district apartment will be ours sooner or later. Wow, so beautiful a woman like her. Auntie, what bad luck. The expo filled up all the hotels. Where is Zhang Ting? She is out of town, gone for a few days. Activating X-ray vision. Target, Su Mei, age 45, looks and body, 95. Way better than flat Zhang Ting. What are you looking at? Auntie, your skin looks even better than Zhang Ting's. Stop that, respect your elders. I prepared the most luxurious room for you. Lin Zhang, what is this? Auntie, I'm sorry, only one room left. I did not put that there on purpose. But auntie, in case you need it. You bastard, get out of here. System, is the quest complete? No. Note, they must be a paying tenant. Damn it, why did you not tell me earlier? Su Mei has not worked for 7 years. Zhang Ting stole my money. Taking it out on my mother-in-law is fair game, right? Who is it? Auntie, it is me. You have not eaten yet, right? Eat what? Private dining is perfect for a beauty like you. Alright then, I will give you some face. Let us go. Why are you staring? Lead the way. I was admiring auntie, I mean sister. Respect your elders. I am your mother-in-law auntie. Don't be mad. Stop following me, haha. Auntie, are you shy sitting so far away? What nonsense, Lin Zhang, watch your mouth. Sorry Xiao, it is a call from Ting Ting. Hello mom, where are you? Why are you yelling? I am in Zhangcheng, having dinner with Lin Zhang. What mom, are you crazy? Why are you with him? Get out now, instantly. Ting Ting, what is wrong with you? I broke up with him. Broke up? Then what about the apartment? I skipped him out of 600,000 for that dump mom. Leave now, should I just run? Auntie, why do you look so pale? Lin Zhang, auntie has an emergency and must leave. What? No emergency is more important than dinner auntie. Leaving without eating looks bad. Although I paid for that apartment, as long as she was happy, it was fine. Does he already know? Auntie, drink slowly. Once you are full we will go back. Alright, I will pay. Su Mei, you cannot escape today. Once we get to the apartment to grab your luggage I will leave and never see you again. Lin Zhang, stay away from me, don't get close. Auntie, why is your face so red? Nonsense, keep that up and I will slap you. Lin Zhang, thank you for dinner. I am going to a friend's. Auntie, are you really leaving? You are her mother. Some things can only be said to you, does he know? Fine, let us go to the room and talk. The room is ready. Sit down auntie, make yourself at home. Auntie, Ting Ting and I broke up. How could that be? She said I am only good in bed and a loser otherwise. Ting Ting can be auntie about love, I accept it. But what if someone scammed my money? Auntie, what if I call the police? What would happen? No, do not. Call the police auntie. Why not? I have every right. I can hold off, but you cannot expect my money to vanish. Call them. Yes, Ting Ting stole your money. Auntie, how should this debt be repaid? I will borrow money or sell my house. Hold on. I do not need the money, because what I want, you have on you right now. You crazy? Lin Zhang, I am her mother. You bastard, I will never agree to this. Auntie, you can leave. I will just call the police. This is extortion, blackmail, counting to 3. 3, don't force me to. Fine, just once, then we are even. Deal. Ah, you are crazy, let me down auntie, do not be afraid. I just have some questions for you. You bastard, Lin Zhang, put it on mother-in-law. Mom, you actually paid him back? Yes. Ting Ting, say hello to your new dad. Mom. You actually married my ex-boyfriend. Be gentle, ouch, can you peel off the plaster more gently? Next time do not touch me auntie, your back needs a daily plaster. Zhang Ting stole my money, but her mom Su Mei paid back some interest. With my system the show is just getting started. Xiao Lu, I ate something bad last night, so push today's class to tomorrow. Hello? Any rooms left? Golden Eye activated. Xuanqing, age 23, beauty 92, single since birth. It'd pay to keep her here, you're in luck today. Usually it's 2,000, but today it's 500, utilities included. Are you up to no good? Your flat is aboard. What's to want? You creep, am leaving. Shady agents are to your left. Fine, 500 it is. Side quest completed. Reward 10,000 yuan and an Audi Q3. What are you laughing at, boss? I'm happy today. Let me buy you hot pot. Awesome, and follow me first. I need to pay the annual rent for the building. Alright. Mom, where are you hiding? Stop shouting, I moved out ages ago. I'm teaching at the yoga studio. Mom, I'm bringing Chang over in a bit. I bought him everything you wanted. You're crazy. You took the cash. Why provoke him over a few grand? He dares picking me up. Rent is 100,000. 100? Not 150? Your girlfriend paid 100,000 last time. Why would I lie? That snake Zhang Ting pocketed the 50,000 difference. I need to settle this debt. I'm getting it back tonight. Let's go get hot pot. Really? I won't say no, I just graduated and have no internship yet. Just call me if you need help. I am not a working girl, you'd be lucky to serve drinks at a karaoke bar. Just eat. Boss, do you have a girlfriend? Just broke up. Why, no wonder. Honestly, even a dog wouldn't want you. Serves you right. Wang, this is that trashy apartment. Let's go grab his coffee machine. You bypassed heaven just to run straight into hell. Did you pay the bill, boss? Are we heading back? Wait up. Don't be mad, boss, you started it to the apartment. Driver, step on it. Am catching a cheater, really? This ride is free. Take me, I'm a beast in a fight. Got it on camera, boss. Crystal clear, Lin Zhang, we broke up. Who I sleep with is none of your business. You scammed me out of 1 million, it's absolutely my business. She stayed with you for 3 years. Be glad she didn't charge a breakup fee. Is her youth diamond plated? It's worth 1 million and she wants a breakup fee? Just wait, I'm posting this video online. You think you can lay hands on me, punk? Either return my 1 million today, or I'm calling the cops. Wang Qiang, this footage, I bet your wife would love to watch it. It's her fault she gave me the cash. I had nothing to do with this, you traitor, still refusing? Fine, I'll call the cops. No, wait, I'll pay, I promise. I'll get the money together right now, you have 30 minutes. Get me 1 million, or you're both finished. Ting, we're doomed. What if he really calls the cop? Stop panicking, you're so pathetic. Has just bluffing. That loser doesn't have the guts to call the cops. I took everything he had. How's he going to fight us, really? What if he goes desperate? Desperate with what? He can't even pay rent and is sleeping on the streets. Let's go up, take his furniture and call it emotional damages. Brilliant, why didn't I think of that? I'll get some guys to help. Don't worry, has a total pushover. Well, looks like you're moving into a prison cell. Stop faking, Lin Zhang. You don't even have $100. This furniture is my emotional distress fee. Get out of the way. One more step and I'm calling the police. Kids, stay out of this. He can't even pay his rent. Open your eyes, our boss just bought this entire building. Impossible, no way. Where'd you get the cash? I cleaned you out. Those papers are fake. Once the landlord gets here, you're dead. Don't worry, Mr. Lin. The entire building transfer is handled. You're too generous. By the way, Zhang Ting owes me 3 months' rent. Do you know where she is? Stop right there. This junk is worth about 100,000. Transfer the rest within 3 days. Now, get lost, you're amazing, boss. This is just the warm-up. The real show is just starting. You must be the beautiful auntie my boss mentioned. Don't talk nonsense. I just came to check on him. Auntie, he's so nice. Rent is only 500. Wow, Lin Zhang, chasing pretty young girls, damn. Her figure is amazing, but her walk is a bit stiff. What's that about? Is teacher Susho trying to me as a sugar baby? Little Zhang, earlier I heard everything. I failed as a mother. Here is 50,000 from my savings. Please don't call the cops or post that CO. Aren't you worried she'll find out? For the sake of last night, please let her off. Teacher Su, didn't you get enough of last night's treatment? You transferring 50,000 to me? Since you're being so generous, I'll just keep this for household expenses. You jerk, gentle, that hurts. Boss? My kettle is broken, do you have a spare? You're hurting me, don't press so hard, boss. Why did you lock the door? I'll bring it to you in a minute. Alright, boss, I'm heading out. You jerk, we almost got caught. So what, did changing your bandages hurt that bad? Shut up. Okay, no more teasing, let's go get dinner. No way, what if we run into Tingding? No. Then I'll call the station. You always threaten me with that, auntie. Please, I'll give you 3 minutes to fix your makeup. Don't worry, nobody knows you here. Just shut up and get the car. Wait, whose car is this? What are you waiting for? Do you need me to carry you in? Auntie, I'm not your seatbelt, buckle up, we're off. What if we run into someone we know? Auntie, in that outfit, absolutely nobody will recognize you. Lin Zhang, what are you doing here? Shoot, we're busted. It's her daughter's best friend. Please don't let her recognize me. Lin Zhang, eating fancy today? Where's Tingting? Something wrong? What could be wrong? Wait, she looks so familiar. Have we met somewhere? Lin Zhang, aren't you going to explain who she is? My girlfriend. Lin Zhang, you're insane doing this behind Tingting's back. Who I see outside is none of your business. I've got a short fuse, so scram before I lose it. You just wait, Lin Zhang. I'm telling Tingting right now, weird. She looks just like Tingting's mom. Luckily she didn't recognize me. Auntie, what's wrong? Chao Zhang, I'm leaving tomorrow. Tonight auntie? Tonight why don't you wear Zhang Ting's clothes? Today's taxi was 15 but the boss paid saving me 15. Rent is 500. Lin Zhang, oh. Come on. Back at the restaurant when you rushed me to return, you didn't sound like this, auntie. Wait, does this cheap apartment have no soundproofing? That auntie next door is actually Lin Zhang. You bastard, this is way too loud, damn. Auntie is on another level 10 whole times. Yo, classmate Sha, did you get a foot massage last night? You look like a giant panda. Boss, how dare you say that your crappy apartment felt like an earthquake last night? An earthquake? Why didn't I know? Boss, keep it down, okay? I'm late for work. Hey, you got a free lesson. Who wants to listen to your kind of lesson? Where's your girlfriend? She left, she's a very busy woman. She left? Boss, you didn't get scammed for sex, did you? What's that tiny brain of yours thinking? Alright, I'll drive you to work. Boss, boys need to protect themselves when they're out. This car is so comfy, it's just one more word and I'll throw you out. He's nice and he's really strong down there. Oh, I shouldn't think about that. Thanks for the ride, boss, no problem. But classmate Sha, here's a suggestion. What suggestion? You're pretty but it's a pity. Pity? What's a pity? You like to wear band-aids when you go out. You pervert, him still developing, sure. Alright, noble corporate slave, your workstation is calling. Boss, you're a jerk. Whoa, that girl rides a Maybach to work? Ignorant. These days, finding a rich sugar daddy beats working hard. Boss, you bastard, you ruined me. I want to grow too, but papaya stew is too expensive. I can't even afford a drumstick on my pork rice. I want to get bigger. Recruit a tenant, reward 10,000. Ill just listed at a cheap rent then. Hello boss, 50 yuan? Is that for you? Don't worry brother, I have plenty of cash. Young man, can the leather strap in the room hang cured meat? Auntie, that's for spicy relationship games, not sausages. Hanging up now. Oh President Lin, are you crazy? 50 a night, 500 a month. Don't panic, it's called giving back to the community. Community my foot, you won't even cover costs brother Wang. It's called internet thinking brother Wang. Think bigger. Once this apartment becomes an influencer hotspot, I'll hike up the price. Will that actually work? You'll see. Just collect rent and don't tell me how to do things. Rent is nothing, the system rewards are my goal. Zhang Ting, I'll make sure you suffer forever. System notification. Triggered random side quest, school beauty's troubles. Zhao Wanqing feels insecure about her body. System has issued the item. Please give it to her to consume. 100,000 yuan. 100,000? Only a dog would do this, but isn't it just tricking the school beauty? For the Maybach, I'll swallow my pride. I'll just make her drink it. I'll mix it in her milk tea. No, this task must be done. Boss, come pick me up downstairs. I'm not drunk, I can still drink. System scan activated. Xu Mingwei age 42, looks 45. Status married, harboring ulterior motives. What a creep, he definitely doesn't look like a good guy. Bo boss appa boss. It's you, come here, give me a kiss. If you keep squirming, I'm tossing you into the middle of the road. No boss, just one little kiss. You're so stingy. We're almost home, stop moving. Evil capitalist, what's wrong with you? At today's dinner I clearly told them allergic to alcohol, but manager Shu forced me to drink. Why bother? What do you know? If I pass probation, my pay goes up by 1,000. Yes, you're the smartest. Water boss, I want water. Just bear with it, we're almost there. Where are my keys? Where did they go? Boss, you're the best. Don't bother looking, I have a spare key. System notification. Ding, school beauty's troubles completed. Reward, 100,000 yuan. Critical hit reward, physical stamina doubled. Is it done? Yeah, thanks boss. Deduct manager Zeus bonus, 100,000 received plus my stamina doubled. This girl is truly my lucky star. What are you staring at? What's so interesting about an ironing board? Jerk boss, I told you I'm still developing, my head hurts. Last night you were crying and begging for kisses, threatening to hit me if I didn't. You're lying, I'd never kiss you, stinky boss. By the way, how was that water? It tasted kind of weird. Boss, you didn't drug me, did you? Drug you? Are you even worthy? Besides, that elixir of life cost me 100,000 yuan. Don't try to scam me. At most I'll deduct 10 cents from your rent. What's wrong? Boss, you're an absolute jerk. I'm hiding in the bathroom right now. Hey, did you see Xiao Wanqing? Didn't you see her? How much padding did she use? Boss, after drinking your lemon tea my chest became like this, it's insane. My shirt just popped open and I have nothing to wear. If you don't save me now, I'm finished. Hello sir. Looking for lingerie for your girlfriend? No, she's not my friend's a tenant. So what size does your friend wear? Well, before last night she was built like a flat tablet, and now? She just called. Apparently she's massive now. Like basketball sized. Are you joking with me? Do I look like I'm joking? Just find something that can hold 2 basketballs. 3 sets of these are $8,888. Wrap them up. 3 sets inside, receipts included. Don't tear it, I need to expense this. We are here. Don't thank me. Just let me have a look next time. You keep the receipt. Don't even try to dodge this debt. Who's dodging? Lin Zhang, are you crazy? This is enough for 173 pork trotter meals with chicken. When will I repay 8,888? Fits perfectly though. It fits perfectly. How did he know? Boss, tell me the truth. What did I drink? What on earth was it? First, after drinking it my chest swelled at 3 a.m. Second, my clothes ripped this afternoon. Third, I was too scared to move. Everyone at work kept staring at me. Boss, what did you give me to drink? Calm down, I told you. Ah, that's the water of life. It's worth 100,000. Yours is just a dormant development. Dormant development? It's basically unleashing your own hidden potential. Potential. Any side effects? Of course, the side effect is spit it out already. It's you won't be called a tablet anymore. Lin Zhang, do you think you're funny? No, don't get worked up. Sit down, I'm too scared to walk fast. I feel like everyone on the street is staring. Isn't that great? Women envy you, men adore you. Really? Seriously. So, how did you guess my size today? Do you really want to dive deep into that topic? I was just asking, it was a guess. Unless you think I grabbed them myself. Oh come on. Psycho. Lin Zhang, drive me somewhere. Sister Sun, what are you doing? Just shut up and drive. Right now. A Maybach? Where did you get the money? Pocket change. Get in, Sister Sun. Where to? The Peninsula Hotel. Well, Sister Sun, it's late. Do you want to do something? I suppose I could make a sacrifice for you. Are you asking for a beating? Lin Zhang, who do you think you are? Are you worthy? Sister Sun, you'll regret breaking this. Wang Dafa, if you get caught, your wife will take your wife off your hands. Sister Sun. Wait up, check if Wang Dafa is registered here. May I ask who you are? I'm his wife. I'm sorry, policy prevents us from sharing guest information with third parties. But I'm his wife. I apologize, ma'am, those are the rules. Sister Sun, calm down, let's head up to the second floor cafe. We can wait for him there. He won't slip away, right? Pick up, hey honey, where are you? Do you know how worried I was? Don't give me that. Explain this booking record at the Peninsula Hotel. How do you explain that? Oh, that? An out-of-town client came in, so I booked it for him. You're overreacting. Don't forget to water the balcony flowers. Hurry home, I am heading back now. I'll drive you, let go, I'm going back myself. Honey, Jinger, you're home? I was actually planning to be home. I was waiting for you, but old Joe insisted I revise this contract. I'll be back in 15 minutes, always the same excuse, fooling me with stupid details, treating me like an idiot. I'll be waiting. Fine. I'm home. Let me shower first, then we can play. Can't we shower together? No, I'm too sweaty. I waited 2 hours, dressed up, put on perfume just for a measly 2 minutes. What if it were Lin Zhang, would he? No, I shouldn't think that. I'm married. Water, honey. I need some water. Shao La, it's been 10 years. Everything changed. This porridge is good. Delicious, right? Honey, I didn't want to bring this up, but the company's struggling. I need some cash. How much is a little? Around 1 for 3 months. President Lin, rest assured, I'll handle it. Sit down. Haha. What are you doing here? I missed you, Teacher Su. Honey, marrying you is the luckiest thing that ever happened to me. Dafa, listen. Mrs. Shu and I were talking, and there's a therapy to boost your stamina and extend our playtime. Oh, that? I was just exhausted yesterday, off my game. I'll look into it after my business trip. Business trip? I haven't exercised in ages. Let's do some drills, Teacher Su. No, you're way too strong, I can't take it. I remember someone begging Lin Zhang to hurry inside. Oh, Su Mei was the kid? We must discuss the South City project with old Joe. I'll take you to Bali when I return. You said that last time. It's different now. We'll go traveling for 3 months. 3 months in Bali? Come on, Su Mei, spill. Was he? Wow, your skin is glowing. Did that guy keep you well fed? Seriously, we're just friends. By the way, new bar just opened. Let's go. Yes, let's go. Right now, driver, follow that car. You got it. Wait, you again, buddy? Wearing another green hat? Why do I have so many?